Hey there! Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we are checking out the best pet hair remover that makes cleaning pet hair fast, easy, and mess-free. If you're tired of fur on your furniture or in your car, this device could be a game changer. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick overview. The Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover is designed to tackle stubborn pet hair on a variety of surfaces around your home and car. It offers a smart, practical solution for keeping your furniture, carpets, and car interiors clean without hassle or mess. One of the most impressive features of the Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover is its detachable handle. Cleverly hidden inside the roller body, this handle makes the device compact and easy to store. It also includes a built-in scraper at the end, which helps clean the hair collection tank efficiently, keeping the process hygienic without you touching the hair directly. Using the Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover is simple. Just roll it back and forth over furniture fabrics, carpets, or car seats to lift hair quickly. The roller design makes deep cleaning easier and more effective than traditional brushes or sticky rollers, saving you time and effort. Another key benefit is its versatility. The remover works well on most flat, firm fabrics. You can use it on couches, beds, car interiors, and more. Just avoid delicate materials like silk, wool, cashmere, knitted items, or crochet to prevent any damage. A standout feature is its eco-friendly, economical design. The Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover is completely washable and reusable. That means no sticky refill sheets, batteries, or cords are needed. This saves money over time while also reducing waste, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious pet owners. In terms of build quality, the Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover is compact, lightweight, and durable. The materials feel sturdy, and the design keeps everything neat and contained. Its clever construction ensures you can store it anywhere or take it along for trips without it being bulky. In real life, this remover makes everyday pet hair management simple. Whether you're cleaning your sofa after your cat sheds, your car after a dog ride, or even your carpet after a busy weekend, the Dance Moon Pet Hair Remover makes it easy to keep surfaces looking fresh and fur-free. This product is perfect for pet owners of all kinds: cat owners, dog lovers, and anyone dealing with shedding animals. It's ideal for home use, cars, and small spaces where hair tends to accumulate, making your cleaning routine faster and more convenient. Here's something you don't want to miss. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more handy gadgets that make life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.